This is a new product by UTVEngineering. It's a oil reservoir dipstick extension handle. This stock dipstick is really hard to get to with human hands. So not only does this make it easier to check your oil, but it allows you to put proper opening and tightening pressure when you're securing your dipstick. Checking your oil, it's a lot easier to do. And mine's right on. Installation is pretty easy. He provides you with a drill bit and then the hardware. Just some tips. The lock nuts go and the washer go on this end, and then the Allen head screw goes in the recess portion. And you want to drill out one hole first and secure it, and then do the other. Don't try and drill both holes at the same time. It's pretty simple, but effective.